In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize SEO on hosting your website builder, so your website can rank higher on Google and start getting more organic traffic. If you've built your site on Hostinger, but you're not seeing visitors from search engines, this is the step-by-step guide you need. I'll walk you through the most important SEO settings inside hosting your website builder and show you how to set them up properly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and SEO tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most important step is adding SEO titles and meta descriptions to every page on your website. These are critical because they're what show up in Google search results. The SEO title is the blue clickable link people see, and the meta description is the short summary underneath it. To set this up, open your Hosting Your Website Builder dashboard. From there, click on Pages. Select the page you want to optimize, then click on Page SEO. You'll see fields for title, description, and slug or page URL. In the title field, add a clear, keyword-focused title that describes the page. Keep it under 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off in search results. In the description field, write a compelling summary of the page in under 160 characters. This should include your main keyword naturally and encourage users to click. Then edit the slug to make sure the URL is clean and relevant. Once you've filled everything in, click Done and then Publish to apply the changes. Next, let's optimize your page URLs, also known as slugs. URLs should be short, clean, and keyword-based. For example, instead of something like yourdomain.com/page123, you want something like yourdomain.com/aboutus. To edit this, go to Pages, select the page, open SEO settings, and update the page URL field. Avoid long strings of numbers or random words. Clean URLs help both users and search engines understand what the page is about. Now let's talk about heading structure, which is extremely important for SEO. Google uses headings like H1, H2, and H3 to understand the structure and topic of your content. Each page should have only one H1 tag, and that should be your main page title. Then use H2 tags for major sections and H3 tags for subsections under those. In Hosting Our Website Builder, click on your text elements and make sure you're assigning the correct heading level instead of just increasing font size. Don't use headings just for styling. Use them properly to create a clear content hierarchy. The fourth step is adding internal links. Internal linking helps Google crawl your website more effectively and also keeps visitors on your site longer. For example, on your homepage, you can link to your About Us page or your Services page. If you have a blog, link related articles to each other. To add internal links in Hostinger, highlight the text you want to turn into a link, click the link icon, and choose one of your existing pages. This simple step can significantly improve your site's SEO structure. The fifth step is making sure SSL is turned on. Security is a ranking factor, and your website should always use HTTPS. Hostinger usually enables SSL automatically, but it's important to confirm. Go to your H panel, click on Websites, then Manage, and navigate to the SSL section. Make sure the status shows active. If it's not active, enable it right away. A secure site builds trust and improves your SEO performance. If you follow these 5 steps, optimizing your SEO titles and descriptions, cleaning up your URLs, structuring your headings properly, adding internal links, and confirming SSL is active, you'll have a strong SEO foundation on hosting your website builder. SEO is not about complicated tricks. It's about getting the basics right and being consistent. Start with these optimizations on every page of your site, and over time, you'll see better visibility in search results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and SEO guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.